Hi, I'm Shelby and today I'm going to do a unboxing review which one's better of the Sephora Play Box and the Ipsy subscription box. This one is a complete mystery because they don't let you know what's in there until after you pretty much have it shipped to your house, so you have it in your hand. This one you can look it up after like a few days of it being processed, but I don't think I looked it up. I'm going to start off with the Sephora one. I'm gonna open both of them at the same time pretty much. This is how the Sephora one comes. It used to come with these little bags. It used to come with bags like this, and I've had so many of these bags now because of them, but now they give you bags like this. And now they give you bags like this instead of the bags that are reusable. These are just one and go. Now the Ipsy one, it comes, unless they changed it this month, yeah. It comes in a pretty bag. Make sure there's nothing in here. Okay. Because sometimes if you get like a brush or a mask or something, it's still in there. Or if you get your little rewards thing, they put it in after your bag. But here's the Ipsy. Here's what's in it. Ooh, I see a brush. Alright, so since I already opened this one, we're gonna go through this. So we have a f.a.r.a.h brush. Kind of cute. I don't think it'll be like my go-to grab brush. I don't know, but I'll test it out. It's the f.a.r.a.h 35E brush. I've never heard of this brand. It's kind of cheap though. I'm gonna stop that before I snap it. And we got a little card. Oh, it's got the Ciate Glitter Flip lipstick. Is it lipstick or lip gloss? The color Infamous. It's got a lot of glitter in it. It's cute. I think they came out with these last year. Girl that I work with bought one of those. She said she didn't like it too much. We got a balm. We got Foiled Again Foil Eyeshadow. Oh, it's kind of a nudie. Ooh, it's kind of, ooh, I like it. It's creamy. Ooh, but like it's the balm. They all their products are pretty much good. I love their products, and I love the fact that when you get the samples, they come in these like little things. Like I've got, I can grab them all. I don't know where the other ones are, but I got so many because they're just so adorable. Next, I got Meet Your Mud. Meet Mud, your skin's new best friend. Oh, that's another thing. If you have these boxes, you'll probably never really have to buy another face mask again because 9 out of 10 times you get a face mask in one of these boxes. Next, we have Nomad, what the hell? Light Infusion Powder. Double holographic illuminator. It looks kind of hippie-ish. Oh, it's kind of cute. Oh, it's a purple. It's a purple. Oh. There's a purple highlighty thingy. Or I know it's a highlighter, but I wouldn't use it as a highlighter. I don't know, maybe. Hang on. Oh. You can see a little bit of the purple hue. That's cute. Ooh. Oh wait, hang on. Oh no, it's a different one. It's a Cheeky. I've gotten one of these blushes before. I used the crap out of it. It was the shade Cheeky. I loved this one, so now I have from the same brand as that one. It's called, what is it called? Hang on. Smoked Peach. It's a little lighter than Cheeky. Hang on, what's it look like compared to the blush that I use now? This is another sample, so I use a lot of samples. If anyone knows where I can find Fixie by Petra Beach Rose Fresh Face Blush, it'd be awesome. I just broke it. R.I.P. But that'd be awesome because I need a new one. Alright, that's the color. It's really pink, but I'll probably use it still. And the bag you get is like a glittery, it's really cute. There was one, my favorite one is the one that looked like a ticket. That was like, I think like a year or two ago. But this one's sparkly. I like sparkles. Alright, so this is everything that comes in the Ipsy bag. An eyeshadow. I'll definitely be using that. And then this crazy illuminator. It's cute. It's tiny. I like it. It's tiny though. It's really, oh, it's cruelty free. Oopsies. And then the mud mask. And yeah, this is actually like picking up way better on this side of the camera. Oh, f.a.r.a.h. And then here's the blush. I'll probably definitely use this. It'll definitely get ran out of. Alright, next we're gonna do the Sephora Play unboxing. And this one is really cool because they come with little 50 points you can use and put on your Sephora card. I've actually been to Sephora multiple times in the past few months and I haven't used them. I have about 6 now saved up. Oops. Definitely been to Sephora in the past 6 months. But somebody said that the lady at the thing said you could use them whenever and that they didn't expire. So at least that's good. But with this one you get a little sheet that tells you about everything. And then it comes in this box that apparently was soaking wet when it came, because of course all my packages have to come when it's pouring down rain. Glued. But let's see what we have in here. A Sephora Rogue Matte Lipstick. They always come red. Oh, that's cute. Okay. It's okay, I don't use these. So whatever. We're just gonna pop that back in there. And ew, yeah, no, I wouldn't even use this color. It's called shit. Rebel Chick. It's called Rebel Chick. I don't like it, so I won't use it, but it's okay because it's broken anyway, so that's cool. We have De-Spun Texturizing Spray. Oh, cool, BB thickening. Yeah, I'll definitely be using that in one little, because I have nothing. I love thickening sprays. I have so many of these. I have my favorite like texturizing sprays and dry shampoos and stuff is Not Your Mother's and then the Batiste. I like the color one because it turns this part darker. And it's funny because when I like wash it out, people are like, oh, did you dye your hair, bleach your hair? No, I just washed it. Next, we have the Sephora. What's up with the Sephora? Oh wait, why do I have this lipstick in here? Oh, this month's bonus, an extra travel size. Oh, so this month's bonus was an extra travel size and they gave me a broken lipstick, thanks. This Rogue Gel Lip Liner. It's the shade Nothing But Nude, because I use so many nudes. The Ipsy box is you take a test and you tell them what you want and what you like and they give you off the test. Sephora, everyone gets the same thing. So this is what the nude looks like. It looks like something I probably use once. Well, maybe not. That's the mark. But I like darker lipsticks, so the nude. The next thing that we have in the box is the Fresh Sugar Lip Caramel Hydrating Balm. Ooh, it does smell like caramel. I can't try it out right now because of the fact that I have lipstick on, but I love caramel, so that's cool. And then the next is we have the Lights Camera Lashes Tarte, which, yeah, everyone knows. And Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. Alright, so you get, in total, you get 5 things for each bag. So this is what you get in the Sephora. The thickening, the texturizing spray, the nude lip primer, lashes, lipstick, and lip sugar, which just smells really good. I can't wait to try that. Here they are all both together. Now this month's kind of crappy because like the past few months Ipsy's been pretty crap getting it, so it's like a hit or a miss too. Like you can redo your test to get a better thing, but generally it's, yeah. But I don't know, I feel like, which one do you all like better? If you all have BoxyCharm or anything, let me know. I've had Ipsy for maybe like 3-4 years now, and so I've accumulated a lot of Ipsy items and stuff, but sorry, I'm trying to put the stuff away. My personal opinion on which one is better is I personally like the Ipsy better because you get more options of like brands. Sephora is literally just strictly either their brand or you get Tarte, Too Faced, all the same stuff. Ipsy, you get like, I've never heard of this brand before, so that's cool. And then like Bang Beauty, I didn't know what Bang Beauty was until Ipsy. So you get more of a variety of different brands. You get to choose more of what you get. Say if you want more moisturizer, more skincare, you can get that. If you want more makeup, more hair, you can choose which one you want. Like Sephora, you just sign up, there you go. You know, in the comments below, if you have both boxes, which one you think is better. I only have these two. I've only ever tried these two. I've never tried like BoxyCharm, FabFit. I feel like that one's more of like lifestyle. I prefer to just get the strictly makeup stuff because that's what I'm into. I just like makeup. It's okay. I mean, I have like 2 pair of jeans, but other than that, I mainly wear sweatpants. But yeah, Ipsy, there was a lot of times it had a waiting list, but that was like, I think, I don't know if they still have a waiting list or not. I can't remember, but I haven't heard anything about it, like, oh, blah, blah, blah. I haven't heard anything about a waiting list. But I hope this video is usable. Ew. I'm eating sausage and like the, ew, that's so gross, but I'm still gonna eat it. The one thing I don't like about the Sephora boxes is why they switched to these type of bags instead of the like drawstring bags. I don't understand why. I think it's just because they want to be cheaper. Open here for warm fuzzy feels and a little something extra. Even though the little something extra was on the outside. But yeah, Ipsy, at least they still give you the makeup bag. So if you don't want to keep these for yourself, you always have like a little gift bag to give to somebody. But bye. Ooh. Thanks for watching. I hope you all liked the video. Like and subscribe. Yeah, leave a comment if you want. I don't care. But nope. Anyways, that wraps up the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, and thanks for watching. Bye.